Honey, don't look at the hole in my wall. I tried to film a tutorial that I said I was gonna do last time, and it didn't work out. I kept getting out of frame, the background was too loud, and everything I tried to explain didn't make sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna do another. Sorry, my lashes are really lashing right now. I'm gonna do another set for Shania, and it's the same inspo that I use for my hand. We're like on the same wavelength. That's hopefully the plan if I can get out of bed today. Let's go. Hopefully. Okay, this is my reference photo. I'm gonna tag the artist like I do, you know. I'm using Profiles Backstage, I forgot what it's called, but the white polish, because I ran out of the Vetro one, and this I figured was a nice alternative because I love Profiles Backstage stuff. And yeah, she's good. I'm not used to the formula, but she is really good. One coat, just like she promised. Love her. But yeah, I'm going in with 2 coats. No, I'm lying. I'm a liar. I'm going with 1 coat for each nail. I don't think I had to do this, but I did because I really wanted an excuse to use it, because I get so excited when I get new polishes. I just look for any excuse to use this stuff, you know what I mean? I'm kind of just trying to fill the time until we get to nail art, because I need this video to be over 15 minutes. It's just a me thing, you know. I want to keep like a consistent. Oh, here we go. We're finally ooh. So I'm loading up my brush with the nude from Profiles Backstage as always. Love using her to sketch, and my 7mm Tenchi liner brush. And yeah, I need to stop sniffling. I don't even have to sniffle. It's just like an anxiety thing. So I'm just looking at all the little dots in the hat, marking those lines, marking where the eye is, the nose is, and then instead of just making lines like I normally would, I'm doing like little, you know, those lines on like a map you see in cartoons, kind of like that, like little chicken scratches, instead of just making a thick line and then having to erase it all when I make a mistake. Yeah, so that's a method I've been using recently. I don't know what to talk about. I have so many ideas for Christmas sets, but like realistically, like I wish I could have put more sets out for October. I did a lot more than I expected to, but a part of me wants to push myself more in November, December. But then I also got a plan for my birthday. Am I even gonna do a birthday set? I hate my birthday. Why is that just like a girl thing? Hating your birthday. Is that a girl thing? I swear, like anytime I see a girl talking about their birthday, they're like, I always cry on my birthday. Why do we do that? I feel like this video is a lot more fast paced than my other ones, and it's kind of stressing me out. So I'm gonna talk a little slower, just to kind of give you guys a break. Yeah, I want to make more videos, ideally tutorial videos, but I'm a slow painter and I'm bad at explaining things, so they would be long videos. I don't know if I really am mentally ready for that. Like, maybe I should start out slow with the short form content like TikToks and Reels and YouTube, whatever. They're called shorts, right? Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll start off with that. I hate making short form content though. I used to have a really hard time making these videos because my head would always get in front of my camera. It probably still does, I just don't care anymore. I also tie my hair back tighter now, so you can't see like my frizzy hair. What was I talking about? My tight ass ponytail, my Jojo Siwa ass ponytail, my receding hairline ass ponytail. No, but back to the content thing. Ideally, I would want to do like lives and stuff, because I feel like that would be fun. I've talked about this before. But the idea of getting on live, especially on TikTok, scary, and Instagram, no appeal. Respectfully, don't want to. Why can't my content just make itself? Like, why can't my phone just hover over my head, record everything I'm doing, edit itself? Like, when are we gonna push towards that technology? And obviously, you know, like curing cancer, like that's important too, but like after that, then we do my thing, you know? For the background color, that beige that I'm using, that's Mysterious Nude from Vetro. I really like it. You're gonna notice that the like fur part of Snoopy's coat looks like it's the same color. Technically it is, but speak, bitch. The colors that I used on the Snoopies are from the MPA palette. While painting the coat with that brown, it looks really streaky. I kind of did that on purpose because the reference photo has like kind of a watercolor feel to it, and I wanted to try to mimic it, but this was the only one I tried to mimic it for. I don't know why I did that. I think I was too lazy to add a second coat of the brown. I just hit 600 followers on Instagram. Thank you. That's so exciting. I honestly didn't think I'd I honestly didn't think I'd gain this many followers so quickly. Yeah, I'm running out of ideas, by the way. If you guys like have anything specific you want to see me paint, feel free to DM me. Just be like, hey, can you paint this? And I'll be like, okay. You know, it's pretty straightforward. I promise I won't bother you. That sounded like I wasn't genuine, but like I am actually happy. I'm just not a very expressive person. Look at that blush. Ooh. I really love the idea of doing like nail vlogs, but I don't go anywhere. No driving ass, stationary ass, no movement ass, staying in her room. Yeah. I don't do much. I'm literally just in my room, and that's it. I sleep, and then I wake up, and I sit at my desk that's like 3 feet away, and I paint. Maybe if it's a good, you know what I mean? I don't know. I want to do different kinds of videos, but like, what other kinds of videos are there? Aside from like unboxing videos, but that means I have to have money to buy the products. Back to the video, the orange that I'm using here is the same orange that I used in the last video, which is the Nails by Dev pumpkin butt mixed with Profiles Backstage orange liner gel. Same with the book. Anything orange, I use this mixture. I just put it in my MPA palette because I love it. I tried to fill all those empty spaces with like skin tones, but I swear I can only mix a good skin tone on a good day. But like, I'm really happy that Dev is releasing that what's it called, Chocolate Factory. I was praying for somebody to release skin tone gels, and she did it. I think some do exist. What is it called? The yeah, I don't know what it's I don't know what brand it is, but it has like a girl on it. But I only saw like light skin tones, and I want skin tones. I am a little nervous about it being all warm undertone though, because I don't know how to mix that out, but that's just something I'm gonna have to learn. I don't know. Back to the video again. I'm now painting the apples. I feel like I should have made the red a little more washed out. I feel like I should have made all the colors more washed out, but I don't know. At the time I wanted to go for something really vibrant, but now I'm like, I should have made it like muted. You live and you learn. For the line work, I used my 5mm brush and a brown that I mixed using just red and green. I went in with the smaller brush because I have more control over the line weight, because yeah, like in the reference picture, some lines are thinner or thicker than others, and I kind of wanted to mimic that, and I can do that more with a smaller brush. I also wanted to mimic like the colored in look on the ears. I didn't do that well with that, but you know, there's always next time. I feel like it would have looked better if I used a marker of some sort. I have seen people use markers to do art on their nails, but I don't know what they're using, and I want to find out, but I'm too scared to ask because I feel like I'm bothering everyone. Yeah, my phone died. You didn't miss much. It's just me trying to paint the stars, crying because I hate painting stars, and then getting it together and painting the stars. But yeah. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. You already know. Bye.